There's a small part hidden behind the steering wheel. If it malfunctions, it can prevent the airbag from deploying in an accident, disable the horn, and even disable all the steering wheel buttons. The problem is, you might be driving normally unaware of the real danger. What is this part? Why does it malfunction? What are its symptoms, and how can you detect it before it causes a major problem? Let's understand this from the beginning. In this episode, we'll learn everything about the steering clock spring, its importance, the symptoms of its failure, and how to inspect it correctly yourself. The steering clock spring is a small part located directly behind the steering wheel. Its main function is to transmit electrical signals between the steering wheel and the rest of the car, such as the airbag, horn, audio buttons, and cruise control. This simply means that any problem with it will affect all of these things. So, how does it work? Inside the chip is a wire coiled in a spiral shape. It expands and contracts as you turn the steering wheel, ensuring the signal remains transmitted even when you turn left and right. However, over time or with improper use, this wire can be damaged or cut, and that's when problems start to appear one by one. The first sign, the airbag light illuminates on the dashboard. This happens because the signal isn't reaching the car properly, so the car understands there's a problem. In this case, the airbag might not deploy in an accident. The second sign, the horn stops working completely. You press it, but there's no sound. This is because the signal path inside the chip is broken. The third sign, the steering wheel buttons stop working, such as the volume, Bluetooth, and even cruise control. You might find one button working while another doesn't, indicating a partial break inside the chip. Fourth sign, a clicking or grinding sound while turning the steering wheel. This happens when the internal linkage is damaged or the linkage is incorrectly installed. If you ignore this sound, the linkage could suddenly break. Fifth, and most dangerous sign, the airbag doesn't deploy during an accident. This is the worst-case scenario because the fault is present but not clearly visible. So why does the linkage fail in the first place? First reason, turning the steering wheel all the way back repeatedly and forcefully. This stretches the linkage excessively. Second reason, incorrect installation after maintenance. If the linkage isn't in its correct position, it will fail very quickly. Third reason, humidity or dust, as these cause internal corrosion or friction. Fourth reason, accidents or impacts to the steering wheel can break the linkage internally. Fifth reason, natural wear and tear over time. So how can you be sure it's the linkage? First, disconnect the battery and wait a bit for safety. Then, carefully remove the airbag and detach the steering wheel. Next, visually inspect the chip. If you have a multimeter, you can test the signal continuity. If there's no reading, the chip is likely faulty. Be careful, the chip must be installed in its neutral position. If installed incorrectly, it will break as soon as you turn the steering wheel. And a very important piece of advice, avoid turning the steering wheel all the way. Don't attempt to repair the chip yourself if you're not a professional. As soon as you notice any warning signs, have it checked immediately. Your safety is paramount. Ultimately, the steering chip is a small part, but its impact is significant. Ignoring it could cost you more than just a repair. Finally, if you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive all new episodes. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a new episode.